Good morning, children. Today in class 4, we are going to start a new chapter. But before that, please complete your old chapter, just like in chapter 5, all classwork and homework. Ma'am has given lot of classwork work. It should be done in the copy. Along with that, you have to do your homework also. So every day we are completing some portions and you have to do it along with that. You are having sufficient time, full day is there. So complete the work. I am not giving very hard homework, but do it nicely and complete it in your copy. That's more important. Okay, children? So let's start a new chapter in class 4 maths. The chapter name is multiplication. Very interesting and important chapter, that is called multiplication. Okay, so you before doing multiplication, I am just reminding you that your table is that multiplication table. You must be completing multiplication table up to 20, right? But I request you to revise it not only once time but daily, your multiplication table, because in multiplication table is very important. So this chapter is of multiplication type. The same way we are doing the new exercise 6a. Okay, before starting the multiplication, I am just reminding you how to do the multiplication. एक करके हम आपको बताते हैं multiplication कैसे किया जाता है, so that it can be remind to you. Okay, ताकि you will people be remembering कि हाँ multiplication मैम ने I have already taught in class 3, so you will be remembering that one. Okay, so let's do multiplication exercise 6a. Let's start with revising one portion, that is, let's do example 2. First, chapter 6, chapter name is multiplication. And let's do a revised part. Why I am saying you it's revise? Just to remind you the way to do multiplication. Let's do 425 divided by 32. That is your example in your book, this example. Let me just give you how to do this one. First, this 425 should be written in the above. Multiplication sign is this cross. आप ऐसे करते हो ना, this is called multiplication sign. 32 आपने ऐसे कर दिया. Okay, now 2 is at 1's place and 3 is at 10's place. So what we will do, we will start from 1's place. We will multiply 2 with 5, 2 with 4, 2 with 2 and 2 with 4 and write it. Okay, so this is 1's place, so we will start from the 1's place. 2 5 जा how much? 2 का टेबल पर ये 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 2 3 जा 6, 2 4 जा 8, 2 5 जा 10. So 2 into 5 is equal to 10. ऐसे लिखते हैं ना 10. तो ये वंस वाले को यहाँ लिखना है और जो टेंस के पोजीशन पे जो है that will should be carry forward. It should be carried to a next digit. Okay. Now 2 2 जा 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4. So 2 2 जा how much? 2 into 2 is how much? 4. So 4 plus 1, that is 5. Understand? Now 2 4 ja, so again learn the table of 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8. So write 2 4 ja 8. ये क्लियर हुआ, समझ में आ गया? 2 5 जा 10, सो 0 1 प्लेस का यहाँ, और ये जो 10 प्लेस का जो रहता है उसको हम लोग कैरी कर देते. 2 2 जा 4, 4 plus 1 5, 2 4 जा 8. नाउ अब क्या करना है, इसके नीचे वंस के नीचे में आप 0 लगाओगे. कुछ नहीं करना है, सिर्फ ऑटोमेटिकली 0 लगाना है इसके नीचे. अदरवाइज इसको और क्या कर सकते हो, इसको क्रॉस कर दो. ठीक है, अब ये टेंस के प्लेस है तो ये कहाँ से स्टार्ट होगा, 10 के जगह से स्टार्ट होगा. आया समझ में? ठीक है, ये 3 टेंस के प्लेस पे है ना, तो इट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम टेंस प्लेस. यहाँ टेंस का प्लेस है. 3 5 जा कितना होता है, 3 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6, 3 4 जा 3 3 जा 9, 3 4 जा 12, 3 5 जा 15. So write 5 here and 1 carry. 3 2 ja 6, 6 plus 1 7, 3 4 ja 12. So write 12 here. Understand? Now ये दोनों को अब हम लोग को क्या करना है, ऐड कर देना है. जीरो के नीचे में कुछ नहीं है तो वी विल राइट जीरो हेयर. अगर कोई डिजिट होगा तो हम लोग उसको सीधे 5 + 5 10, 1 कैरी, 8 + 1 9, 9 + 7 16, 1 carry, 1 + 2 3 or 1. So answer is 13,600. So answer 13,600. ओके, ये समझ में आया कैसे मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं? I think you can easily understand. In class 3 also we have completed multiplication. So this is the way we have to do. Now let's do exercise 6a. Okay. So out of lot of questions are there, up to KL questions is there. Let's do A, C. So there are 12 questions. So 6 question ma'am is going to do and 6 question children are going to do. Okay, let's do question number A. 64 into 45. So 64 into 45. 5 की टेबल पर ये 5 4 जा 20, 0 2, 5 6 जा 30, 30 + 2 32. Table should be very thorough. It should be learned properly. आपको ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए टेबल आप काउंट कर रहे हो. It is very bad practice. Always memorize the tables. Okay. 4 4 जा 16, 6 1 carry, 4 6 जा 28 + 1 29. देखा मैम ने कैसे किया. 5 4 जा 20, 0 2, 5 6 जा 30, 30 + 2 32, 4 4 जा 16 1, 4 6 जा 24, 24 + 1 25. Okay. So the answer will be 0, 6 + 2 8, 3 + 5 8 2. So answer is 2880. Okay. Now let's do question number C. 49 into 36. So 49 is here and 36 is here. Okay. 6 9 ja 54. 6 9 ja 6 into 9, that is 54. So write 4 here, 5 here. 6 4 ja 24 + 5 29. 9 3 9 ja 27, 7 2. 3 4 ja 12, 13 14. So 14. 4 9 + 7 16, 1 carry, 2 + 1 3, 3 + 4 7 1. So answer is 1764. Okay, so you must have taken the screenshot so that it can be done by you in your copy. Let's do question number E. (94 into 89). 94 into 89. So write 94 here, 89 here. Now what table we are going to start with? 9. 9 4 ja 36, 6 3 here. 9 9 ja 81, 81 + 3 is 84. Now make a cross here. 8 4 ja 32, 2 3 here. 8 9 ja, how much 8 9 ja 72. 72 + 3 75. 6 4 plus 2, 6. 8 plus 5, 13. 1. 7 plus 1, 8. Okay, children? So answer is 8366. Let's do question number G. Let me do H. 643 into 23. Okay, it's very easy. So it's 3-digit number. 643 into 23. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 1 carry. 3 6s are 18 plus 1, 19. 3 3 are 9. 3 4s are 12. 1 3 6 are 18 plus 9. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 6 are 12. Okay, so it's 9. 6 plus 2, 8. 9 plus 8, 17. 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 1. Answer 14 7 8 9. Okay, children, note down fast. This way you have to complete your multiplication. Okay, let's do in the last row I question. Take a screenshot fast. Let's do I question. 682 into 76. So what we are going to write? 682 into 76. Right? 6 2 ja 12. 1 carry. 6 8 ja 48 plus 1, 49. 4 carry. 6 6 ja 36 plus 4, 40. Now make a cross at one's place. 7 2 ja 14. 1 carry. 7 6 ja 56. 56 plus 1, 57. So 7 5 here. 7 6 ja 42. 42 plus 5, 47. 6 2 ja 12. 1 6. Again I am repeating. 6 2 ja 12. 1 6 8 ja 48 plus 1, 49. 4 6 6 ja 36 plus 4, that is 40. Okay, here you have completed. Now let's start with 7. 7 we will start from 7. 7 2 ja 14. 1 7 8 ja 56. 56 plus 1, 57. 7. So here 7 and 5. 7 6 ja 42. 42 plus 5, 42. 42 43 44 45 46 47. So we have written 47. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to add. So put everywhere you have to put a add signature sign here. Okay, now 2 plus nothing is there. 2. 9 plus 4, 13. 3. 1 carry. 7 plus 1, 8. 4 plus 7, 11. 1 carry. 4 plus 1, 5. So answer is 51832. Okay, let's do question number K. 392 into 54. So 392 into 54. How to do? Start from the ones place. 4 2 ja 8. 4 9 ja 36 ja 6. 3 carry. Okay. 4 3 ja 12. 12 plus 3, 15. Cross it at a ones place. Start with the tens ones. 5 2 ja 10. 1 carry. 5 9 ja 45, 45 plus 1, 46, 6, 4, 4, 5 3s are 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So it will be 19 here. Put a addition sign. 8, 6 plus 0, 6, 5 plus 6, 11, 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2. So answer is 21,168, 21,168. Okay, take a screenshot. I'm writing the homework. I have completed A, so you have to do it. B, D, E have completed F and G and J and K. L. Okay, so this is your homework. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sums. B, D, F, G, J, L. I'm writing it properly in a beautiful writing. So do questions number B, D, F, G, Z and L. Okay, what's the chapter? Chapter 6. Okay children, thank you very much. Do your homework and upload in the dashboard. Thank you. Work hard in your home and learn the table. Table is very important in multiplication and division part. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.